Life doesn't get easier or more forgiving. We get stronger and more resilient as we begin to pick up from where we left off. Ardensi offers you the right strategic partnership to help achieve your business objectives, using our unique platforms and network of live, virtual, and managed events. With our in-depth research, extensive network of industry specialists, and unparalleled data, we help you to identify key challenges, uncover potential solutions, and generate business by matching your goals with our events to help your organization take the next leap ahead. At Ardensi, your needs are attended to by a dedicated international team of experts with global experience and a passion for providing access to information, intelligence, and insights. We are the team behind NYPS Pricing Conference, Automotive Legal, and IP Summit, and have provided leading industry events across the globe. Our specially curated and tailor-made events are designed to enhance learning, networking, and business development for our partners, enabling them to position as leading market intelligence and strategy consultants. With an already growing schedule of live and virtual events, Ardensi looks forward to a brighter and unified future. Let's partner and grow stronger and more resilient together.